Want to make your front door feel extra special this Valentine's Day? Looking for stunning Valentine's Day wreath ideas that instantly spread love and charm? Searching for easy DIY Valentine wreath ideas you can make at home without fancy tools? Or maybe you want creative Valentine wreath DIY projects that look beautiful but stay budget-friendly. Stay right here, because today we're sharing 15 gorgeous Valentine wreath ideas to help you decorate your front door with love and creativity. Welcome back to Decor Design Ideas. In today's video, we're sharing the best Valentine's Day wreath ideas, easy DIY Valentine wreath ideas, and creative Valentine wreath DIY styles perfect for your front door. From heart wreath crafts to garland-inspired designs, this guide will inspire you to decorate beautifully for the season of love. Why are Valentine's Day wreaths so popular for home decor? A wreath sets the tone before guests even step inside. Beautiful Valentine's Day wreath ideas instantly make your home feel festive, welcoming, and full of love. What are the most popular Valentine wreath ideas for front doors? Heart-shaped wreaths, floral wreaths, and minimalist designs are favorites. These Valentine wreath ideas for front door spaces work with almost any home style. If you love seasonal front door decor, hit like and share this video with someone who loves Valentine's decorating. What makes a great DIY Valentine wreath? A simple base, cohesive colors, and a clear theme. The best DIY Valentine wreath ideas are easy to assemble and reflect your personal style. What DIY Valentine's Day wreath ideas are beginner-friendly? Felt hearts, ribbon wreaths, and faux floral designs are perfect starts. These DIY Valentine's Day wreath ideas don't require crafting experience. Do you prefer floral wreaths or heart-themed wreaths for Valentine's Day? Tell me below. How do I create a Valentine wreath DIY using Dollar Tree supplies? Use wreath forms, faux florals, ribbon, and heart picks. These Valentine wreath DIY projects look high-end while staying affordable. What heart wreath ideas are trending right now? Minimalist heart frames, layered hearts, and neutral color palettes. These heart wreath ideas feel modern and elegant. For more DIY wreath and seasonal decor ideas, check the full playlist in the description. What heart wreath craft ideas are great for kids or families? Paper hearts, foam shapes, and yarn-wrapped wreaths are perfect. These heart wreath craft ideas make decorating a fun family activity. What Valentine wreath craft ideas work on a budget? Paper flowers, fabric scraps, and repurposed decor work beautifully. These Valentine wreath craft ideas prove creativity matters more than cost. Love DIY home decor? Subscribe for weekly seasonal decorating inspiration. How do I style Valentine's Day front door decor ideas with a wreath? Pair your wreath with layered doormats, lanterns, or small signs. These Valentine's Day front door decor ideas create a cohesive look. What front door Valentine decor ideas work for apartments? Lightweight wreaths, door hooks, and garlands work best. These front door Valentine decor ideas are perfect for renters. For more front door and porch decor ideas, check the related videos below. How can I use Valentine garland ideas with my wreath? Drape garlands around the door frame or across railings. These Valentine garland ideas add extra charm and depth to your entryway. How do I keep my Valentine wreath looking elegant instead of cluttered? Stick to one color palette and avoid overloading accents. Simple Valentine's Day wreath ideas often look the most stylish. How long can I leave my Valentine wreath up? Most wreaths work from late January through mid-February. These Valentine wreath ideas for front door have great seasonal flexibility. What colors work best for Valentine wreaths? Classic reds and pinks, neutrals, whites, and soft pastels. These colors elevate Valentine's Day wreath ideas beautifully. What's the easiest Valentine wreath DIY for last-minute decorating? A ribbon-wrapped wreath with heart accents or a simple floral hoop? Even easy DIY Valentine wreath ideas make a big impact. And that's it. 15 Valentine's Day wreath ideas to help you decorate your front door with love, charm, and creativity. From heart wreath crafts and Dollar Tree DIYs to elegant front door styling, Valentine wreaths are one of the easiest ways to celebrate the season. Whether you prefer bold hearts or subtle romantic touches, these DIY Valentine wreath ideas help your home feel festive and welcoming. Which wreath style do you love most, heart-shaped or floral? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more seasonal decorating inspiration. Happy Valentine's Day!